Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidify. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide a Snapchat chat from your feed. First, open Snapchat and go to the chat section at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the chat section, open the chat that you want to hide. Next, tap on the username beside the avatar at the top center of the screen. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner. From there, select Chat and Notification Settings. Now, you'll see an option that says Clear from Chat Feed in red text. Tap on that, and then confirm by clicking Clear. After that, go back to your chat feed, and you'll notice the chat is now gone. But don't worry, if you want to get that chat back, just go to the search bar, type in the name of the person, and send them a random message. That will bring the chat back to your feed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.